Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy from Alibaba and sell on Amazon using an iPhone. First, open the Alibaba app on your iPhone and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up using your Gmail. Next, go to the search bar and find the product you want to sell. Look for the items that are popular, lightweight, and not fragile. Always check the supplier rate, review, and minimum order quantity. When you find the product, message the supplier. Ask simple questions like price, shipping cost, and delivery time. You can also ask if you offer customer binding. Now let's move to selling. Open Amazon Seller app or go to Amazon Seller Center using Safari on your iPhone. You can add product, either matching an existing product or create a new listing. Add clear product photo or simple title and an easy to understand description. Set your selling price higher than your Alibaba cost so you can make a profit. Now choose how to ship. You can ship product to yourself first, or you can Amazon FBA where Amazon store and ship the product for you. Once your product is live, customer can start ordering. Check your Amazon app often to monitor sales and message. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.